Hi there, my name is Hannah, Product Marketing Manager here at Trainual, and today we're going to be talking about a new enhancement. You can now search for your policies and processes and connect them to responsibilities right in the Delegation Planner. That's right, we're already making improvements to the new Delegation Planner feature, and this one helps make sure your whole team is on the same page with the right way to do each responsibility delegated to them. So here I'm in my account for my cafe and I'm looking at my barista team responsibilities board. I have policies and processes that explain the how-tos and guidelines that surround each of these responsibilities right in Trainual. So here's what the new search functionality looks like. I can click on any responsibility. So in this example, I'm going to go to my barista group and click on the clean and sanitize the coffee machine and guest tables responsibility. From there, I'm going to go to the connected content section and click Connect. And from here, I can either search my Trainual account for content or add content from any URL. If you want to add content from an external URL, you can do so by clicking From URL. And maybe I want to give my team access to the user manual for our espresso machine. I'll go grab that URL. So I'll copy that and then I'll paste it here. And I can title it something like Espresso Machine User Manual, and then say Connect Content. And now here's what's new. I can click Connect, and then from Trainual, and from here I can search for relevant policies and processes for this responsibility. I can connect content at the subject level or the topic level. So let's say I want to connect my how to use the espresso machine subject. I'll just search for espresso, and here's my how to use the espresso machine subject, and I'll click the check mark on the right-hand side of that. You can add more than one piece of content, so let's say I also want to add my after hours cleanup topic. I'll type after hours, and here's my after hours cleanup topic, and I'll click the check mark on the right-hand side of that. When I'm all done, I'll click Connect Content, and then Save Changes. And remember, everything on my barista team responsibilities board is in draft mode until I click on Apply to Account. So I'll go ahead and click that, and my board is now saved. And there you have it, connecting content, which is, in my opinion, the most important step of delegation, because it's how you make sure that your team has the resources they need to get things done. Just be sure to share the content with everyone who needs it using the group share modal in each subject. For quick access to sharing, you're going to want to click on the responsibility and then click on the content. From there, you can go into edit mode and click share. I'll share this with my baristas and click save, and they're good to go. See you next time.